Hello folks, and welcome to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. So in this video we're just going to give you a little update on the work we got done here last week. We got some steps built here from this landing up to the main deck there. So pretty much the deck is finished now except for railings. We are not going to do the railings until after we get the siding on. We kind of leave that to the last thing. But there you can see our steps that we've got built there. So that's going to be the new entrance up into the home. And then you can see also the that board that we installed here on top of the skirting. And so that's just a board to hold the skirting, and it's also going to give us a place for the siding to come down onto. So you can see now, we explained in the last video how that's going to work for weatherproofing. And so now you can see how the board overlaps the skirting, and we've put the roll of black paper. That black paper goes down underneath the board, and then put the board on top of that. And now before we do the siding, we'll be putting that aluminum L flashing on top of that board, and then the house wrap will come down over top of that flashing, and then the new vinyl siding. So this, we pre-painted it. It's much easier to paint things before you install. This will get another coat of paint now that it's installed. And just to give you an idea, we got all the way around with that this week. It was a pretty big job. I'm going to show you the new set of stairs at the back here. So that pretty much has all of our what we call groundwork done, and now we're up to a point now where we can start. We've got a nice level line now to start our siding. Everything's been repaired. We've got a good sound base now to start our siding off of that board and go up. But before we get into the siding, we're going to head up to the roof and get our roof all done. So we'll be down on the top. So now we've sort of shifted to top down mode. And one of the things about a mobile home that really makes it look like a mobile home is the no overhang. And there's three different reasons they do that. You know, part of it I think is to save money. You know, another part of it is perhaps to make it easier to transport down the road. But you know, this cut-off look here really does give it a mobile home look. And as you can see, the roof line down this way, it's not very interesting, and it's it just doesn't look great. Also, it doesn't give us any protection on the wall from weather. It doesn't give us any shade at all on the windows from sun and whatnot. You can see also how the shingles don't overhang the side of the roof there at all. You know, normally there would be an overhang for the water to drip off of that. So when we get into the roof, we're going to get into the roof next week. We're going to have our shingles delivered on Tuesday. They're going to arrive, and we'll be getting into that. We are going to do something on the roof that is going to change the look of this dramatically. It's really going to take away this blunt look, and we're going to create an overhang, and we're going to show you how that's done. And it's not going to cost a lot of money. Basically, for under $1,000, we're going to have completely changed the look of this home, roof-wise. So we'll give you an update. Next video, I'm going to take you up on the roof. And you're not going to believe this roof. This roof is original to the home, 1992. And believe it or not, it's still shedding water. But yeah, it's pretty interesting what it looks like up there. So next video, we'll be taking you up there and giving you a tour of the roof. Thanks for watching, folks. See you on the next one.